What's up everyone? Today I want to show you a super fast and easy tip. It's just something that's part of my routine, but I wanted to let you guys in on it. Like I said, it's not rocket science. It's not something you have to do. It's just something I do. And that is keeping the black plastic that's on the truck black and shiny. I know a lot of people, complain that the top of the bed kind of gets a little bit, not black looking or a little bit faded looking. Same with the back bumper step, the step pad on the rear bumper. So I'm going to show you guys what I end up doing. Basically, I try to keep my stuff as clean as possible. You can see my wheels are clean and they have tire shine on them. And that's where I get into the next thing. Basically, if you look at the top here, you're going to see it kind of gets a little bit dry looking. Same with this rear step pad, but mine actually looks pretty good for over 100,000 miles. So what I end up doing, guys, is when I'm shining the wheels, shining the tires, I use the tire shine and I just use the same thing on the black plastic. It's not gonna do anything to your paint, but just be conscious. Don't directly spray it on your paint. I haven't ever seen it do anything negatively to the paint, but you can take that extra precaution and just spray it on the actual plastic portion, and if any gets on your paint, wipe it off. But I've been using it for a while, no issues, hasn't negatively affected anything, and it keeps the plastic, it basically protects the plastic. It's no different than this, using on tires. Cleans, shines, protects. It doesn't have to be this one necessarily, I'm just saying tire shine in general, because basically it protects plastic, keeps things from drying out, and keeps black plastic and rubber looking better longer. So basically that's what I use. Like I said, I just spray it on there a little bit. You can see up here, this one's kind of a little bit dry looking at this point. You spray a little bit on here. This is the foaming type. I'll do up to here. Let's do it up to there just so you can have a comparison. And this is the type where you could let it do its foaming thing and then dry if you want. But if we want to speed up the process, you can basically see everything looks brand new here once you put this on. And this lasts basically every time that you wash the truck, and like I said, it's protecting it, makes it look brand new. So you can see just the difference there. And this is something that, like I said, something that's not going to break the bank for you guys, something that you can just put in part of your cleaning routine, and it really makes a difference as far as the look of the truck. So I purposely didn't do this just so I could kind of show you guys, like, check out how faded that looks compared to what it looks like with the tire shine. So this is no different than your tires. You can throw it into your cleaning routine and it really makes the truck look a lot better. So let me know if you guys have already used that tip. Let me know how you guys like that tip. Again, not rocket science. I'm not trying to reinvent the wheel. I'm just showing you guys something that I do when I'm cleaning my truck and when I'm making it look good and shiny and whatnot. So I don't recommend you spray it on the paint, so don't get me wrong there, but black plastic, go ahead, throw it on there. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you're already doing it. I know there's other companies or products that you can use. There's 303 Aerospace, which is really good, but it's also expensive. That stuff is like $3 or $4 for the whole can. You can do your tires with it. You can do your black plastic. I don't know if I'd go crazy on everything. I just use it on the simple parts. I use it on this plastic, which is very durable. You're not really gonna mess that up, and the rear step pad. But let me know if you guys use it other places. I've seen people use it in the engine bay after they've washed it, just to kind of clean up the black plastic and make it shiny as well. But let me know what you guys think. Again, just something, a little tip for you guys, something that I do. Again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. Make sure you subscribe to the Instagram channel, same spelling, Boosted Motorsports. Also check out the other videos on the channel. We've covered a lot of ground on the truck. And make sure you're subscribed. We'll see you on the next video, guys. A lot more content on the way, and thanks for watching. Take care.